Hey y'all, my name is Jennifer O'Brien and I'm a real estate agent with Dunes Properties in the Charleston area. If you're getting ready to sell your home, let me give you some quick, easy tips that you can do to make the exterior really stand out. The exterior of your home is the first thing that buyers see. You really want to make a great first impression. The easiest way to make your home stand out is to clean up the yard and the siding. The exterior of your home is exposed to the elements, so most likely it's covered in dirt. Some of the easy ways to clean the siding is to go to your local hardware store and get a couple bottles of siding cleaner. It's inexpensive and attaches directly to your hose. It's also less abrasive on your siding. Power washing is great, but it can damage the siding and push water into your home. This cleaner makes it a really easy job. Weed the garden, do some edging, put down mulch or Pinestraw. A garden that pops will make your yard look well maintained and cared for. If you don't have flowering plants, head to your local garden center and pick a few up. You can keep them in the containers and just place them in the yard where you like. You can rent a power washer from your local hardware store. Use it to clean your patios, walkways, and driveway. If you're a little strange like me, you will definitely find this fun. We get a lot of moisture in the exterior of our homes, and that will build up on your windows and your sliding glass doors. Basically what happens is as the water drips down the window and the sliding glass doors, it brings the dirt with it and builds up in the tracks. It's really gross. It's very easy to clean. Just take a bucket with some water and a rag and wipe it all out. The dirt should come up pretty easily. If at a minimum, you do these little things, it will really help your home to stand out and it will look like a lot less work to potential buyers. And less work equals more value.